YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to instantly improve your connections. Let's get it, gang. All right, gang, let's go ahead and get up into it real quick, man. I'm gonna show y'all how the waves looking. Y'all can see going crazy, man. They're going to rate me, man. Let's go. Hope y'all week been going good. This video is uploaded on Monday. All right, y'all can see. Definitely excited about this video. Y'all definitely gonna have to stay tuned, right? So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So gang, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and get your comb. That's the best way to improve your connections. Let's go. Gang, so you got your comb. All you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and start combing out your hair, right? Combing it out. This is the fastest way to improve your waves, right? And improve your connections. All right, so we're just gonna comb it right out. We hitting all angles. Let's go, we locked in. Let's turn up, let's get it. Then you wanna go ahead and hit this side too. Do not forget this side right here. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the top. And don't forget about the other side. Let's go. Let's get it, let's get it. And y'all can see I really been improving this left side. Been working on that fork around this area. So let's go and comb that out.
Ready?
And also hit right here. Let's get it, bros. Let's go. So gang, after you comb it out, now we're about to reverse it and we're about to comb upward. Let's get it. So now gang, we're gonna go ahead and comb upward, right? Let's go ahead and get it. Let's go ahead and get it. This will instantly improve your 360 wave connections. And also, if you do this method, you also will break your forks, right? If you haven't checked out my 360 wave break forks method, go ahead and check it out right now. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen right now for you, gang. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and hit this side right here. All right, gang, let's go ahead and hit up here. Let's go. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, it might be a little rough. You might feel a little awkward. You're like, man, I'm brushing my goddamn waves the other way. But hey, I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. So let's continuously hit this side, right? Let's continuously hit this side. Just take your time, man. Go slow with it. Be chill with it. Be patient. All you trying to do right now is you just trying to deepen your waves, make the connections look better too. Let's go. Now gang, y'all see I got it combed out, right? So what you want to do is, now you want to go ahead and lay it back down. Let's go, gang. Stay locked in. Y'all must be wondering why I didn't brush this down and mess with this crown area, because the reason why I didn't is because I want to make sure I know where I'm combing my waves back down at, right? So the crown really helps you analyze where you want to lock in and comb your waves back down. So we're just combing them right back down. Let's go. And you can use either side. You can use the small side or you use the thick side. See what I mean? Like, I like using the thick side. It feels way better for my hair. But if you want to use the smaller side, go right ahead. All right. So what you want to do is make sure you comb in from the crown. All right, stay locked in, gang. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Join the team. Let's get it, gang. All right, hitting this whole side. All right, let's go ahead and hit the top right here. Easy, smooth, just like butter. Let's go. All right, gang, let's comb this part down. All right, take your time. You could go fast like me, or you could take your time. So I'm really kind of going fast, but I'm really kind of going slow at the same time too. And don't forget to comb that crown down. Do not forget to comb the crown down. Don't forget to comb that crown down. My crown looking kind of sloppy right now, but we got to get it back. Hold on. And get this side, so it's gonna go ahead and close that crown right up. Comb with your angles, or you could just freeform comb. I like the freeform comb because it just feels better. It feels more smoother, right? All right, gang, let's get into the next thing. Let's go. All right, gang, so after you combed your hair down, the next thing you want to do is, this is the best thing you need to do. You need to go ahead and apply your oils to your hair so we can lay our hair down. Let's get. So gang, go ahead and get your oils. You see, I got my Jamaican black castor oil, and I got my hair repair oil. So let's go ahead and lock in. Let's go ahead and put these oils in our hair. Let's get it, gang. And y'all can see when I have this oil, I kind of just place it on the sides right there. Real easy, real smooth, right? Especially if you want those corners to be really thick, right? So you can apply like 2 or 3 in those corners. All right, you can apply some right there too. Right there, I like to hit those corners. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. About the crown, man, I love adding the oil to the crown. It just lays the crown down. So you just make sure you're adding that oil to your crown, because once you put your do-rag down, it's gonna lock in. All right, y'all see how it's looking? Let's get it. Let's get it. Now, what you want to do is after you hit those corners, go ahead and just apply it on your hair, right? Apply it right on your hair. Make sure you apply 2, right? You want to make sure you really lock in, man. You want to really make sure you lock in with that. Let's go. Y'all see that shine? Y'all see it now. Y'all see it. Let's go, man. Again, all you want to do is you want to hit the back. Just apply the oils into the back. Hit the corners. Hit the back. All right, so we're going to hit this side too. Real easy, real simple. Let's go, guys. Lock in. You need this method. If you trying to deepen your waves, you trying to improve your connections, you trying to break forks, you need to be doing this. You need to do this every night. Let's get it. Then we're gonna add 1 more. So same thing, gang, this side, right? Easy. Real easy. Let's go. Nice and smooth like butter. Come on now. Smooth like butter. Alright, gang, that is the end of the video, right? This whole method was supposed to deepen your waves. Now let me give y'all a recap. Make sure you comb your hair out. Second thing, you want to comb your hair up, and then after that, comb it down for the last time. Apply your oils, and a bonus tip for the gang. Make sure after you do this, use your medium and hard brush to lay down your wave. Once you take off your do-rag in the morning, man, you're gonna be swimming. You're gonna be going crazy, gang. All right, if you like this video, click that like button. Join the gang, join the community. We upload every Sunday. All right, gang, peace.